Peace and power, and welcome back to KTsAlchmy. My name is Nina. I am Katie's granddaughter, and today we are getting back into the big book of chart patterns. We are on chart patterns number 7 and 8. We are going through them two by two for a total of 25 videos, 50 chart patterns. And so 7 and 8 are both diamond bottoms and diamond tops. And so what you're looking at on the screen is the pattern or the shape of the pattern without the actual chart. I want you to become familiar with the pattern without the chart, and then we're going to look over the patterns with the chart. So again, what you're looking at on the screen is the diamond top, which is right here, and this is the diamond bottom here. Now, give me one moment. I want to get that other chart up. All right, so this is a bullish diamond chart pattern, which is the diamond bottoms. So you can get a good view of what that would look like on the chart. Now let's get into it. The directional bias is bullish, which means up, and the pattern type is a reversal. This is letting you know if you're going in one direction, when you see this, the market is about to change directions. The pattern description, and y'all excuse my I'm just trying to make it, okay? The pattern occurs within the context of a longer downtrend. Initially, the pattern begins a broadening formation with higher highs and lower lows, but then begins to narrow with the lower highs and higher lows. And then the volume description. The volume tends to drift downward during the formation and expand on the breakout. And so this is right here, and it will expand on the breakout, right? And this again is a reversal pattern. It was going up, came down, it's reversing. Not it's reversing. The pattern shows here at the end of a downtrend. So this lets you know that the market will continue going up. The target is here, right? Breakout confirmation, a close above the upper trend line drawn across the downward slope, highs with above average volume. And so, measuring technique, measure the widest point of the diamond's range and add it to the breakout level. And so if you get this widest point and add it to this line here, your take profit will be here. Notes. Breakouts near the 1 year low typically outperform, and throwbacks following the breakout generally hurt performance. The pattern has a low failure rate with decent upside potential, but tends to fall back once the target high is reached. So once it hits here, it'll usually fall back. Got to pay attention to that. Formations with more range between the highs and the lows perform better than shorter ranges. And so the longer this goes, the better it'll go here to your target. Now, the next chart pattern is a bearish diamond top. Bearish means down, it's going down. And so what you're looking at is again showing you what it will look like with the candles. Directional bias, bearish. Pattern type, reversal. Pattern description, the pattern occurs within the context of a longer uptrend. Initially, the pattern begins a broadening formation with higher highs and lower lows, but then begins to narrow with lower highs and higher lows. Volume description. Volume tends to drift downward during the formation and expand on the breakout. Breakout confirmation. A close below the lower trend line drawn across the upward sloping highs with above average volume. Measuring technique. You would measure the widest point of the diamond, and subtract it from the breakout level, which will be here. So that'll give you here, telling you how far it's going to go down. Statistical notes. Breakouts near the 1-year high typically outperform, and pullbacks following the breakout generally hurt performance. The pattern has a low failure rate with decent upside potential, will tend to fall back once the target high, in this case target low, is reached. Formations with more range between highs and lows perform better than shorter ranges. And so again, the bigger this is, you would take this, subtract it from the support, and it'll tell you how far it's going to go. This will be your take profit down here. It is important that we get these chart patterns into our subconscious, and so that no matter what chart we're looking at, we will be able to predict the market, and it will make our market predictions better over time, right? All right, that's the goal. Peace and power, and I'm out.